Hi, we are Ander and Denyat, and today we are going to present our project, a school device inventory. We have created this program to facilitate the storage and management of information about computers, printers, and other devices existing in our school. Here we have the startup screen of the program. If we if we enter, we can see the login, and if we put the good password and user, and we will enter to the next page that we have to choose if we want.
Here we have three parts where we can see that are mintegiak, gailuak, and erabiltzaileak. Every every part of the program has four options that are ikusi, aldatu, ezabatu, and gehitu. If we click in ikusi, we can see the devices that are in no. We are seeing now, as I clicked mintegiak ikusi, we are seeing the mintegiak that are now on. If we click aldatu, here we can change some attributes or specifications. Here we can select the specification, and here we can select the name of the mintegi, and we can change it here. I will put a red intro, and the change is done. We can see it here, Arreta, and we can delete one. So I will get to one here. I don't mind the name and the place where is it. So get to mintegia gehitu da. Ikusi, there we have mintegia, izena, kokalekoa, and the ID. So we can delete it now. Here, boom. Ezabatu, mintegia ezabatu da. Ikusi, and there is no mintegi. So we can do the same with the gailuak and erabiltzaileak. We have some of them here. So I will delete the one erabiltzailea. Dash da, ezabatu, erabiltzailea ezabatu da. So as you see, I deleted one erabiltzailea right now, and works good. Here gailuak is more complicated because we have all the specifications, plus here if we select altavoza or a different device, and we have another feature that changes the attributes.
This program will be of great use in keeping our school's device inventory up to date and organized. This way, teachers and students can quickly know what devices are available, in what state, and the information about each one. I hope you like it, and thank you.